All of us have used the equation a plus b whole squared equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. But have you ever wondered what is its physical significance? Well, it definitely makes the process of squaring a number much easier. To know how so, watch the complete video and then you will be able to square numbers in much less time than usual. It's very difficult to break a bundle of sticks, but the work can be done much more efficiently and faster if we divide the bundle into smaller groups. Thus, the trick to solving numbers raised to power is to make subdivisions. Hello, welcome back to Mathsoplane. In a previous video, we discussed a particular case of squaring numbers ending in 5. Today, we will learn a trick to square any general number. First of all, when I say squaring a number, what I imply is multiplying a number by itself or equivalently raising its power to 2. It's better if we remember all squares from 1 to 9, like 5 squared is 5 into 5, that is 25, 6 squared is 36, and so on. In this trick, we are just gonna use squares from 1 to 9 and some basic multiplication and addition. Let's take an example to understand better. Let's first try to find square of 56. In first step, write the square of 6, that is 36 as the last two digits. Then write the square of 5, that is 25 as the first two digits. Now multiply the two digits of 56, that is 5 and 6, and multiply the result with the power it is raised to, that is 2. So 5 into 6 into 2, that is 60. Then add 60 to the already formed 2536, leaving one digit from right. So we finally get square of 56 and it is equal to 3136. I hope you are beginning to see. Once you get comfortable with this trick, how much more time you can save than normal multiplication. Let's take another example to understand the trick better. Let's square 72. In the first step, square 2 and write it as 04 as the last two digits. Keep this in mind, we need two digits, so adding a 0 in such cases is necessary. Next, we square 7 to get 49 and then write it as first two digit. Thus, we get a number 4904. Up next, we multiply the last two digits, that is 7 and 2, and then the power 2 to get 28. Thus, on adding 28 to 4904, leaving one space from right, we get 5184, which is the square of 72. I hope you're getting comfortable with this trick. So this is the right time to discuss the mathematical concept behind it. So we will take a general two-digit number of the form AB and square it to get basis for our trick. Now AB can be written or expanded as 10a plus b. Therefore, AB square is equal to 10a plus b whole squared, which results in 100a square plus 20ab plus b square. Now, as the coefficient of b square is 1, it becomes just a two-digit number, thus written as last two digits in first step. Whereas coefficient of a square is a squared is 100. Thus, we have to move two places ahead and we write a square as first two digits. Now, in place of adding 20ab, we simply add 2ab to it and leave a space to the right, which are equivalent cases. Hence, we generated the basis for our squaring trick. Till now, we have discussed the trick for squaring two-digit numbers and have done examples for the same. But how do we apply it to a three-digit number? Now, let's take an example of 112 square. Now for this particular number, we can also use the earlier learned multiplication using base rule trick. Here, let's use the squaring trick. Now in step 1, write down square of 2, that is 04 as the last two digits. Further, square the middle one and write 01 as the middle two digits. Finally, write the square of 1, that is 01 as the first two digit. So finally, we get a number 10104. Now moving to the most important step, step 4. Now the important thing is that for two-digit numbers, we only had one pair of digits, but here we have three pairs. So let's see in what pattern they have to be added. Firstly, leaving one space from right, we add multiplication of the power 2 and the second and third digit, that is 2 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 4. Then leaving two spaces from right, add the multiple of 2 and the first and third digit, that is 4. Finally, leaving three spaces from right, add the multiple of 2, first and second digit, that is 2. So on all calculations, we finally get square of 112 and it is 12544. Now let's take one final example to make you more comfortable with the trick. Following the same three steps, we get a number equal to 92501 here. Now focusing on step 4, we add 2 into 1 into 5, that is 10, leaving one space from right. Now leaving two spaces from right, we add 2 into 1 into 3, that is 6. Finally, leaving three spaces, we add 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30. Now on completing calculations, we get the square of 351 as 12321. Discussing the concept behind this, we take a general number ABC, which is equivalent to 100A plus 10B plus C and square it. The equation is as follows. Now looking at the respective coefficients, we can easily get to the trick we used. So this was all from us today. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel and share it with others. So goodbye till the next time.